It is difficult to cut isotherm like we would cut most traditional ceiling insulation products. So we don't cut, we tear the insulation. First, we measure between the beams. We add 100 millimeters more than the width of the beams. The isotherm insulation is then torn by hand. It is a simple tear as though we are tearing paper. Once torn to size, it is fitted snugly between the beams. When fitting the cut pieces of insulation, we ensure all wiring is above the insulation. Importantly, any downlights must have a 100 millimeter breathing hole cut out so they do not contact the insulation. If the downlights are LED lights, there is no need to cut the holes, as LED lights are not a threat. So there you have it, simple DIY install. Call us on 0878 11 0229 for more info.